Imagine a world sculpted from colorful clay, mountains like friendly giants, water a bright, wobbly blue. This is Norway. Its coastline twists and turns, hugging the cold northern sea. Norway's nature feels like a storybook, or a film made with little clay figures. The air is so fresh, the colors so vivid, it's as if the world was painted this morning. Norway isn't just a place, it's a feeling of wonder and adventure. You might picture Vikings or snowy winters, but the real magic is in the land itself. Mountains reach for the sky, waterfalls tumble like white ribbons, and every view feels grand and special. The landscape invites you to explore, to feel small in the best way. On this journey, we won't just look at pictures. We'll imagine ourselves right there. We'll feel the cool breeze, see the world in bold colors, and sail on glassy waters beneath towering cliffs. Little houses in cheerful reds and yellows hide in quiet corners, waiting to be discovered. So, grab your woolly hat and sense of adventure. We're off to explore Norway's unreal claymation world. Each fjord, mountain, and village has its own personality, like characters in a grand play. Some are bold, others shy, but all have stories to tell. As we travel, we'll listen to their whispers on the wind and see their reflections in the water. This isn't just a trip, it's an invitation to see the world with new eyes. Norway's landscapes are full of character and joy, waiting for us to be amazed. Let's step into this handmade world, crafted with love and a touch of mischief. Norway is waiting. Let's begin our adventure. Ready to be amazed? Let's go. Long ago, giant glaciers carved deep valleys into Norway's land. When the ice melted, the sea rushed in, creating the famous fjords. These aren't just rivers, they're ocean arms reaching deep into the country. Imagine floating in a tiny boat, cliffs rising like gray walls on either side. Waterfalls tumble down, and the water mirrors the sky and stone. The fjords make you feel tiny, but safe, cradled by ancient giants. Sunlight makes the water sparkle. Mist turns the fjords mysterious. Every bend reveals a new, breathtaking view. It's nature's cinema, showing its most spectacular film. Sailing a fjord is a slow, gentle adventure, one that changes you. These rock walls have stood for thousands of years, holding secrets in their silence. The fjords connect us to Earth's deep history. They inspire awe and remind us how amazing our planet is. The fjords aren't just beautiful. They're a living link to the past. Let's be amazed by their grandness. At the ends of fjords or on small patches of land, you'll find tiny hidden villages. Houses painted in bright reds, yellows, and blues stand out against green grass and gray mountains. Smoke curls from chimneys, promising warmth and coziness inside. Life here is peaceful. No crowds, just the sound of water and sheep on the hills. People know the land like old friends, living simply and in harmony with nature. These villages feel like secrets from another time, protected by the mountains. Getting there is an adventure, often by boat along the fjord. Walking through, you find fishing nets, bobbing boats, and old wooden churches. These hidden gems show us a slower, richer way of life, tucked away from the world. Beyond the fjords, Norway's lakes are crystal clear, fed by melting glaciers and snow. The water glows turquoise or emerald, reflecting mountains and sky like perfect mirrors. Sometimes it's hard to tell where the real world ends and the reflection begins. These lakes are places of deep peace, inviting you to sit, watch, and dream. Morning mist, midday sparkle, and sunset colors make each moment magical. Some lakes are vast, others small and hidden high in the mountains. People kayak, fish, or simply enjoy the quiet beauty. Each lake has its own character, a vital part of Norway's landscape. They're not just beautiful, they're a source of joy and wonder. Norway's lakes are nature's mirrors, waiting to be discovered. Norway's wildlands are alive with animals perfectly suited to this dramatic world. Mountain goats climb steep cliffs, moose roam the forests, and seals play in the fjords. Sometimes you might spot a whale gliding through deep waters. Above, white-tailed eagles soar, scanning for fish, while puffins nest along the coast. Even small creatures, red squirrels and clever foxes, add to the magic. Each animal is a character in Norway's natural story. Seeing them in their wild home is unforgettable. They remind us we share this planet with amazing creatures. Norway's wildlife is part of what makes this land so special. Every encounter is a glimpse into nature's grand play. The fjords are alive with wonder. Norway's nature is painted with tough, beautiful plants and flowers. Tall pine and spruce fill the forests, their scent fresh in the air. Moss carpets the ground, making the forest feel ancient and enchanted. In summer, wildflowers, purple heather, yellow buttercups, bluebells, dot the hillsides with color. Wild berries, blueberries, lingonberries, and rare cloudberries are sweet treasures of the land. These plants feed animals, hold the soil, and fill the landscape with texture and scent. They're the tiny brushstrokes in Norway's grand painting. Every detail, from moss underfoot to a wildflower's pop of color, adds to the magic. Norway's plants make the landscape feel alive and complete. They're the small wonders in this claymation world. We've journeyed through a land that feels like a dream. Giant mountains, blue water, and storybook villages. We've sailed fjords, gazed into glassy lakes, and met the animals and plants that bring Norway to life. Norway's nature is powerful, grand, and full of wonder. It sparks imagination and fills your heart with joy. Places like this remind us of the magic in our world. Norway makes you stop, look, and feel small in the best way. It's a storybook you can walk into, a claymation film made real. The memory of a Norwegian fjord stays with you forever. Let Norway be on your list of dreams. Epic fjords, hidden villages, crystal lakes, and wild creatures. Let your imagination run wild in this colorful land. One day you might stand on a fjord's edge, take a deep breath, and smile. Norway is a dream that's real, and it's waiting for you.